After the 2010 constitution,
right,
the judiciary is actually owned by Kenyans. The mandate to govern, part of the mandate to govern is given to the executive, and the mandate to adjudicate over disputes is given to the judiciary. So the judiciary is also an arm of government. And as Mheshimiwa says rightly, it's important that every Kenyan knows, to the deepest part of Kenya, that disputes can be resolved through going to courts and not carrying pangas and things like that. So it is important, as Mheshimiwa says, and I agree that as part of the mandate of the Judicial Service Commission is to educate Kenyans and illuminate them about what needs to be done in terms of access to justice and things like that. So yes, that's one of the things.
I'm not saying that's part of the question that will come during the interview.
Yes.
All right, that's according to him.
It's a political question.
Very quickly.
Yes, after the enactment of Kenya Constitution 2010,
yes,
I think the judiciary has gained a great latitude of space and independence. But more is expected. If I can refer to a tweet and a clip of Ahmed Nazir Abdullahi, the statement he made about the judiciary still scares us, that the level of corruption and taking of bribes by judges is one of the highest, and that is reducing advocates. You are an officer of the court to mere clerks, and that affects the delivery of justice. What do you intend to do, and what value are we going to add to the Judicial Service Commission so that we can really have a transparent judicial system in this country that facilitates justice?
Very good. Very good.
That's a good question.
Very quickly.
I think, and I agree partly that corruption is now really endemic, but the problem is that is to get the players to bring the issue before, I think, the Judicial Service Commission. My view is that once you get somebody who is involved in corruption, use him as an example and punish him so harshly that it sends a message to the rest of the judicial officers that corruption is not condoned. I saw that tweet where Ahmed was saying that that now bribes are being taken in dollars, and it's alarming.
You don't pay in shillings.
You pay, now it's a dollar denomination.
Yes,
and that is really alarming, because then what does that mean to the common mwananchi?
Right.
Myself, Mr. Sosion here, Mheshimiwa,
users of the court,
going to court and accessing it and saying that I need to pay for justice in dollars. It's a grave indictment, and I think it's one of the things that has not really been addressed. Yes, and I intend to address it.
Thank you.